What's going on, guys? So my name is Will. I just want to stop by and just give you my real testimony about the Cash App system. Now, I've been involved in a lot of different companies. I'm actually still involved with a lot of different companies. And this company is great, man. Like, I'm highly impressed with the results that I've been getting with this system. Like I said, I'm involved with a lot of different programs that charge monthly fees. And even though I'm getting paid from those programs, I mean, nothing beats paying one time and getting paid over and over again. Guys, I've been in for about a month. I downloaded the apps. There's nothing like getting paid from the apps and buying things that you would normally buy and getting paid for that as well. I'm earning $100 to $200 per day with this system alone. Guys, it's amazing, okay? So below this, if you're on my website, you're gonna see other people's testimonials. Guys, these are real people, all right? If you're not on my website, make sure that you get back to the person that sent you, all right, to this website so that you can get paid, you can get started immediately, guys. Take advantage of the system. It's amazing. Peace.